Board is clear. Let us start. Let us start. हाँ बोर्ड पे लिखने जा रहा हूँ. बोर्ड पे लिखने जा रहा हूँ. Right. This side I am writing. Practice test 2. Practice test 2. Practice test 2. Practice test 2. This will be 25 marks. This will be 25 marks. Yes, definitely, 100%. These marks will be counted. 100% these marks will be. Yes. 1 minute. Now it is clear. 25 marks. So you write down topics, which topics are covered in this. For first earlier test it was rational number and expansion. For this chapter, for this test, we'll keep further 2 chapters, factorization and simultaneous linear equation. Is it clear? We'll keep factorization, or should we keep 3 chapters? That you suggest. Okay. 2 chapters. Factorization. No, expansion we have already covered. Rational number and expansion we have already covered in previous test. नहीं see. नहीं सुनो मेरी बात. We have to go in that sequence. नहीं we have to go in that sequence. No, right? I can keep 3 chapters. See, नहीं choice I had given you for 3 chapter or 2 chapter. Choice is given for, if you will say 2 chapter, I can keep 2 chapter. With 2 chapter, that is. So लिखो factorization and simultaneous linear equation. Factorization and चलेगा. Simultaneous linear equation 2 ही chapter रखते हैं. Then there will be 2 parts. Part A. Part A will be, this will carry 10 marks. This will carry 10 marks, and this will be descriptive type. This will be descriptive or subjective. I will be subjective or descriptive. Subjective or descriptive means you have to write in that. Now, for example, for 10 marks, I can ask you the question. Question will be asked. Question number 1, it will be 3 marks. Question number 2, it will be 3 marks. And question number 3, it will be 4 marks. So 3, 3, 4, it is 10 marks. Is it clear? 3, 3, 4, it is 10 marks. Yeah. Then subjective or descriptive means you have to solve that. And as you are doing in other subject, you are taking the photograph, no? You are taking the picture and then you are uploading that, no? Yes or no? The same technique you have to do for this subjective or descriptive part. 3 sums will be there. 3 sums, 3, 3, 4 marks. Then part B. Part B will be 25 marks. Part B 15 marks. Sorry. Part B, this will be 15 marks. And this will be objective ob- yes, objective या is same as MCQ type, multiple choice question type. So it is 15 marks. So next it will be question number 4. It will be 3 marks. Question number 5. It will be 3 marks. Question number 6. 3 marks. Question number 7. 3 marks. And question number 8. It will be 3 marks. 3 marks. 5 question. हाँ कंटिन्यूएशन रहेगा. Is it clear? Yes. You have to solve that. Take the picture of that. You have to solve that on the paper. MCQ वाले में नहीं, MCQ वाले में ऑप्शन रहेगा. MCQ वाले में ऑप्शन रहेगा A, B, C, D. You have to click that answer. 4 option. पार्ट बी का जरूरत नहीं, पार्ट ए का तुमको डिटेल सोल्यूशन भेजना है. क्लियर? यस राइट करो. See, you can share this information to your friends who are there in C division and D division. So share this information to your friends of C division and D division. Yes. Is it clear? So practice test 2, 25 marks. That timing, schedule and date that will be sent to you by the class teacher. So I have explained this. Practice test 2 will be 25 marks. Topics are 2 topics: factorization and simultaneous linear equations. Subjective type part, there will be 2 parts. Part A 10 marks, subjective or descriptive type. 3 questions will be there, 4 marks. So total 10 marks. Part B 15 marks, objective type or MCQ. For each question there will be 4 options. Click the correct option. Part A, whatever you have to question is there, you have to solve that on the paper, take the photograph and then upload it in the worksheet. Finish? Yes, now let us start. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt is there? Anybody? No? So 4 marks. This 4 marks will be 1 question. For this 40 minutes here. नहीं ऑप्शन का नहीं सुनो what we have planned. No, what we have planned that will be told. Yes सुनो मेरी बात. For this you will get enough time. This descriptive, no, you will get enough time. Only for this objective or MCQ it will be limited time. Is it clear? Because you have yes, more time you will get. Yes, my dear, do not worry. That timetable will be given to you. That time will be specified. That this much time is given for subjective and this much time is given for objective. Do not worry for that. So that timetable will be told to you by the class teacher. Okay. So these two chapters are there. Easy chapters are there. Practice. Now let us start our complementary angles. Which exercise you have? So most probably next week this exam will be there. You just share this information to your friends of C division and D division. Just share this information. Now let us start complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Which problem? We have done up to second, I think. Yes. Third, three, both the problems are important. Third, both the problems are important. Third, both the problems are important. And both are very easy. So write third first, show that tan 10 degree, show that tan 10 degree, tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree, tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree, tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree, tan 80 degree is equal to 1. Show that tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is 1. So now we consider left hand side. What is my left hand side? Tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Yes. So in this, first we rearrange. In this, first I will rearrange. I will take those angles together which form complementary angles. I will take those angles together which form complementary. Complementary means their total is 90 degree. So which are two angles? 10 degree and 80 degree, they are complementary. Then 15 degree and 75 degree, they are complementary. Is it clear? So our job is to first take the complementary angles together. So tan 10 degree, we are taking this tan 80 degree together, and then tan 15 degree and tan 75 degree, they are complementary angles. So now, not understood. Okay. Tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree. Out of this, we take those two terms together whose angle form complementary angles. Complementary angle means their total is 90 degree. So 10 degree and 80 degree, their total is 90 degree. So these two terms I will take together. Then 15 degree and 75 degree, their total is yes, you can try this first, no problem. But tan 15 degree, so yes, multiplication sign is there, so you can write the number in any order. A into B into C into D, same as B into C into D into A, same as C into D into B into A into C, whatever way. So what is my method? You have to take the complementary angles together. Now next, tan 10 degree and tan 80 degree, 10 degree and 80 degree, they are complementary. Now what I will do? One I will fix, other I will change. So tan 10 degree I am keeping fixed. Then tan 80 degree, what is tan theta? Complementary angle. What is complementary angle of tan? Cot. So tan 80, tan 80 degree is same as cot 90 minus 80 degree. Are you getting? Tan theta is same as cot 90 minus theta. tan theta is same as cot 90 minus theta. Then in this two also I will keep, no. See, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. 90 minus that angle. 90 minus that angle. That you remember. 90 minus that angle. So tan 15 degree I will fix. Then tan 75 degree I will write cot 90 minus 75 degree. So tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. So this becomes tan 10 degree into cot 10 degree into tan 15 degree into cot 15 degree. So wait, no, tan 10 degree. So cot is reciprocal of tan. So this is 1 upon tan 10 degree. Cot 10 degree is 1 upon tan 10 degree. Then tan 15 degree into cot is 1 upon tan. Yes. Tan is also 1 upon cot. Yes. Tan. No, my dear. Tan theta. We are using complementary angle. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. We are using that formula. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Then it will become cot 10. Then cot we are writing 1 upon tan. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. So theta remains same when you are taking reciprocal. So now this tan degree get cancelled with this tan 10 degree. Tan 15 degree get cancelled with tan 15 degree. So what is left? 1 into 1 into 1. So it is 1. 1 is same as right hand side. So we write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now do the same problem. Do the second one. Should I give second one homework? No. Sin sec. No. Let me do second one. Because both this type of problems are important. Second, sin 42 degree. Sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree. Sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree. Cos 42 degree into cosec 48 degree is equal to 2. So that sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree into cosec 48 degree is 2. So now we consider left hand side. Left hand side is sin 42 degree into sec 48 degree plus cos 42 degree. Now in this, yes, in this you are absolutely wrong. Now in this you cannot take together because there is plus sign. There is plus sign between two terms. There is plus sign between two terms, so you cannot take the terms together. These two terms are together, these two terms are together, between them we have plus sign, so we cannot rearrange the terms. Earlier it was multiplication throughout, into, so I can rearrange the term. In this you cannot take. Yes, first two term you have to simplify, no? So sin 42 degree. Now one you fix, other you change. Now sec 48 degree. What is complementary angle of sec? Yes, what is complementary angle of sec? Cosec. Complementary angle of sec is cosec. So sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta. So sec 48 I will write cosec 90 minus 48 degree. Sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta plus cos 48, cos 42 degree we have kept as the, what is, yes, cosec, complementary angle of cosec is sec 90 minus 48 degree. So let us simplify. So that will be sin 42 degree into cosec 42 degree plus cos 42 degree into sec 42 degree. Yes. Sine 42 degree. Cosec is 1 upon sine 42 degree. Cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Cos 42 degree. Sec theta. 1 upon cos 42 degree. Now these two get cancelled. Yes, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled. So 1 is left, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, which is my right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Malav, do you remember? In this we cannot rearrange the term because there is plus sign. Earlier we can rearrange the term. Yes, you have to take care. You have to be 1 minute. Now it is clear, right? You have to be very much bolo. It can be there, no? It may be there. So whenever there is sign between two terms, we cannot rearrange the terms. Now express each of the following in terms of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. Express each of the following. All are important sums. In terms of angle between 0 degree and for this. Fourth one we can omit. Fourth one is not required. Fourth one you omit. Yes. Fourth one is not important. Now fifth one is important. Fifth one is extremely important. Prove that. See, my dear, when I will start solving, no, you will understand that problem and you only will tell me that, sir, don't do, we'll do. All the three. So do not worry because the technique will be same. Same technique will be there to solve all the two problems. Same technique. Let me start with first. So these two type of problems are important. Let me do first. For triangle, fifth one. Mark this, very very important. These type of problems are important. Fourth one is left. Omit that. For triangle ABC, we are given the triangle ABC. Yes. We are given the triangle ABC. We are given the triangle ABC. We have angle A, angle B, angle C. There are three angles. For triangle ABC, show that sine A plus B by 2, sine A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2 is the angle. Sine A plus B by 2 is cos C by 2. Sine A plus B by 2 is same as cos C by 2. Is it clear? So now let us solve this. A plus B by 2, sine A plus B by 2 is same as cos C by 2. Are you getting? So let us solve this. So see here, for triangle ABC, what is the sum of all the three angles of triangle? Yes. For triangle ABC, sum of all the three angles of triangle is angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Is how much? Yes. What is sum of all the three angles of triangle? 180 degree. Sum of all the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now see this. The angles A plus B and C, they are divided by 2. So now next step is divide each by 2. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Divide each by 2. Divide each by 2. So 180 degree by 2. So you will get angle A. Angle A, we write A. A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 plus C by 2. Instead of showing this angle symbol, I am writing only C. C by 2. Because in the question it is only given A. So I am writing A. Yes, A by 2 plus B by 2, I will write A plus B by 2. Then C by 2. Now how angle A upon 4? Tell me. How angle A upon 4? How you will multiply 2 into 2? Between them there is plus sign. Between them they have plus sign. So how you can multiply denominators? No. So A by 2 plus B by 2 is A plus B by 2. You can directly write A. Instead of writing A, you can write A. So that will be A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus C by 2, no? We take C by 2 on the other side. Are you getting? Now what you... Wait. I have started with simple concept that sum of all the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. That divide each by 2. So you will get A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. Now what I will do? I will take sine of A plus B by 2. So taking sine on both the sides. Taking sine on both sides. Taking sine on both sides. You have to take sine out. Are you getting? Taking sine on both the sides. So you will get sine of A plus B by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. But by using complementary angle concept, what is sine of 90 minus theta? Yes. What is sine of 90 minus? Yes. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So in this case, my theta is C by 2. Theta is C by 2. So this you will get sine A plus B by 2. Sine A plus B by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, that is cos C by 2. Hence proof. Yes. Yes. No, I have taken sine off on both the sides. Sine off on both the sides. Sine off on... How there is minus? Sine 90 minus theta. This is my theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Yes. We have explained that in the complementary angle. No, we are using the complementary angle concept. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Complementary angle concept I have derived in the beginning. Sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta. 90 degree vanish and sine become cos. Sine become cos and 90 minus theta becomes only theta. 90 degree vanish. बोलो. Because see, what is my question? In the question it is A plus B by 2, no? If in the question it is A plus C by 2, then I will take A and C together. In the question it is A plus B by 2, so I have taken A and B together. The same question can be asked A plus C by 2, then it will be B by 2. It will be B plus C by 2, then it will be A by 2. Yes. Where I have divided each term by 180. I have divided each by 2. Because see in the question the angles are divided by 2. The angles are divided by 2. So I have divided each by 2 so that I will get this form. No, we want to prove this. So we have to arrive at this conclusion. No. To arrive at this conclusion, we have to divide A plus B by 2. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us do the second one. Second one, in the same way you will solve. Tan. Tan and cot. Tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 is cot A by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 is cot A by 2. If it is B plus C, then left angle will be A. Then complementary angle of tan is cot. That you remember. Now this is my triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. There are three angles of a triangle. So now we write that angle A. We write A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is 180 degree. A plus B plus C is so divide each by 2. So you will get A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2. Same technique. So now which angle you want? Which angle you want together? B plus C. So I will write A by A by 2. I will write, yes, B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 degree by 2, 90 degree. Now I will take A by 2 on the other side. So you will get B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Now I will take, yes. Yes, you will divide by 3. So now what I will do? Yes. Now taking tan off, now taking tan off on each side. Now taking tan off on each side. So you will get tan off. Yes. Whatever is given in the question, you have to, whatever you want to prove. So tan B plus C by 2 is tan 90 degree minus A by 2. Now we have the complementary angle concept, that tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan becomes cot and 90 yes, so tan B plus C by 2. Tan B plus C by 2 is equal to cot A by 2. We don't write hence proved because it is show that. Whenever it is asked prove that, we write hence proved. But whenever it is show that, how you can leave? It is 10:27. हाँ 3 minutes are there, no? 3 minutes are more to do. Wait. 3 minutes are more. Okay, what is the exact time? What is the exact? So 2 minutes are there, no? 2 minutes are there, no? 2 minutes are there, we can do one problem. चलो ठीक है, but you tell your friends. Now we stop. Now you tell your friends of C division and D division also about this practice test too. Yes, we are. See you in the last lecture. Bye. Yes. Bye. Yes. Bye. Yes.